In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check photos and video reviews on the Temu app, a handy tool for those looking to get a deeper understanding of products before making a purchase. Whether you're interested in fashion, beauty, home goods, jewelry, or more, the Temu app offers a vibrant collection that can be explored. But how can you ensure that what you're about to order meets your expectations? By reviewing photos and videos from other users. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, in order to begin, make sure you have the Temu app installed on your device. If you haven't already, you can download it from your app store. Once you've got the app up and running, go ahead and open it. You'll find yourself on the home page where you can explore an array of the latest items ranging from clothing and beauty products to home essentials and jewelry. Spend some time scrolling and browsing around until you find an item that piques your interest. After locating an item you're curious about, tap on it to view its details. This action will take you to the product's main page, providing you with more information. Here you can view descriptions, specifications, and price details. But to get a real-world sense of how this item looks and performs, you'll want to look at reviews from other users. Now on the product page, look closely and you'll see an option labeled See All Reviews. This is the key to unlocking further insights into what people are saying about their experience with the item. Tap on this option. Once you're in the reviews section, you'll find it organized to help you easily locate both text and visual assessments from previous buyers. This is your chance to evaluate the quality based on real photos or even videos submitted by fellow users. Scrolling through these reviews, you might notice a particularly interesting or insightful piece of feedback highlighted. Highlighted reviews usually signify significance, either in terms of helpfulness or content quality. If you wish to focus more on these, you can click on the highlight option to view them in detail. This can be particularly helpful to distinguish between varying opinions or to identify any common issues or accolades associated with the item. Remember, reading and viewing these reviews can save you from unpleasant surprises and help confirm your buying decision. While the product descriptions offer official details, user reviews present an authentic preview based on practical use. Using these steps, you now have the power to make more informed choices and shop with confidence on the Temu app. Happy exploring and enjoy finding those hidden gems.